how to change your device name on Samsung phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So you'll get to see I have my phone here and this device name is the Sky's S20. So if you want to change this name to a different one, then here is how you can do this process. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to change the Samsung device name, you just need to open up the settings app from your phone and then scroll down to the very bottom and then tap on about phone. So you'll get to see I have set my name as the Sky's S20. So if you want to change this name, go ahead and tap on edit. And once you do that, just go ahead and delete the name and enter the name that you want to set. So let's say I'm going to set Samsung S20. And once you have set your preferred name, you can set any name that you want. It can be your name or your phone name or any other thing that you can actually add. And once you're done with this, go ahead and tap on done and the specific device name will be set it up on your device. And this is how you can change the device name on Samsung phone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around and thank you very much for watching.